Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to prune hardy azaleas. Now the azalea plant is more of a little bush, and it's like a smaller rhododendron, and it's a really pretty addition to your garden. And it's deciduous. It'll lose its leaves in the winter. Many times it'll stay with leaves almost through the winter that it turn red, and they're a really pretty color. So the best time to prune your azalea is when it's dormant in the middle of winter. And when you trim it back, the rule of thumb is never trim it back more than 1/3 the size of the plant. And a good rule of thumb also is you want to make it into a circle. So if you've got all these lanky pieces of azalea, by trimming them out and making more of a ball shape, then it will grow much fuller and be more beautiful the next year. You want to cut out any dead branches or kind of trim out some of the inner branches so that more sun gets into the middle of the azalea plant as well. That way you'll get lots more flowers the next year, and it'll bloom beautifully. And you can trim them in the winter time, but you can periodically trim it in the summer as well. It doesn't matter as long as you leave a stem and some greenery. And the only time I don't prune is when they're blooming. Any other time you can trim it, and you can enjoy your azaleas for many years.